But there is one fear in your mind that I can't speak. You should know one thing very well. Do you really think that all the English speakers, all the native speakers are able to speak correctly?
Think
I
so.
will give you one small example which will at least boost your a little bit of confidence. There, it was the year 2017. I was teaching in DAV, and there one student had come from Dubai, and his like basic education was in US only. Before coming to India, he was in Dubai for a year and then came back to Mumbai. So when I was assessing his papers, his handwriting was horrible, and even not just the handwriting, the way he was answering, the language was pathetic. The words he were using were not appropriately used. Yes, of course, he had a vast vocabulary, but the words, whichever vast vocabulary or whatever you are putting, it should be on appropriate. Like, there is a way of using one thing. Okay, all of you might have got at least basic vocabulary. So, what is the difference between desperate and depressed? I'm writing it in the chat box as well. What's the difference between desperate and depressed? I hope that you all might be aware about these two words. Yes?
Desperate
means who is mentally
is
weak, can say who is mentally disturbed by any situation, he is depressed. And desperate is a kind of anxiousness to do something, or can say keenness to do something. Let us say someone wants to be a singer, he is desperate to be singer.
Yeah.
We can say
eager.
Yeah.
eagerness, or his his
Right.
desire to achieve anything, his uh, lust to achieve anything.
Yes, sir. Right. Rightly
Both are
said.
different words.
Huh. But the mother came and she argued with me, stating that my son has always studied in US and he has been in Dubai last year. So his English is brilliant, and how come you have deducted marks for such a thing? So this is the situation today. People believe that if they have been in such society, they are not able to make mistakes. They are not ready to commit mistakes. Actually, they make mistakes. They are not ready to accept it. Even I have seen those teachers, like right now, I in my first class only I tell, I am just a learner. If I am doing something, if I am telling you something, that doesn't mean that I know everything and whatever I am saying is the correct thing. In the beginning, also, I said it's my opinion, it's what I have experienced, it's what I have learned. I don't say that it is right or wrong. There is nothing called right or wrong here. It's all about our perception. What I have learned, what I believe, and what I am ready to share. So it's now up to you what you are ready to believe and what you are ready to accept. So don't get any sort of dogma in your mind, any sort of fad in your mind that I can't do that, I can't speak confidently, I am not able to do that. Just tell, why can't I? You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
definitely do that. Just that little bit of confidence is required. I will just tell you that how can you get that fluency. Fluency means, like, look at Sher Singh Sarji. He knew those two words very well. Yes, of course they are confusing for the kids. Sometimes they get confused about these words. Even there is one another word in that, that is distressed. That will also write here, distress. Again, this is another word which has very different meaning. Then destitute. So look, they all start with this, and when you write all these things, it's not that I will also be able to tell at one go. It happens like I will talk. I will be talking about pronunciation and all tomorrow. So let's leave it for tomorrow. But these words are the thing that you might make mistakes. There are two places where people generally make mistakes, and Indians make most of the mistakes in prepositions. When we talk about prepositions, because we are not native speakers, sometimes when you talk about, like, for a long time, long time means 3 years back, till then I am traveling in train. Do you think it is correct? I'm traveling in train. Yes or no? I am traveling in train. Is it correct? I
Why not?
believed I believed it is
By
correct.
by
Traveling by train.
traveling by train.
No, by train is again different thing. If you get an option between in, on, for, from, what will you use?
In.
In.
Yes, Arvind sir, you are right. It is on. I am traveling on train, not in train. So look, Indians, as Indians, we all have been making that. I said 3 years back I learned it when I was training students for Cambridge English. Then I learned that it's not in, but it's on. And then I found that what's the difference? Why we are using on and not in? So whichever vehicle where you can stand, roam around, there you use on. So that is train, tram, bus. So in all these things you use on. I am riding on a bus. I am traveling on train. I am traveling on ship. So it's not in any of the vehicles where you can stand or take a walk. And those vehicles where you can sit comfortably and just sit, you cannot stand or walk, those kind of vehicles we use in. Yes, that's right, Arvind sir. Now here we'll be playing a small game over here, and let's see if it opens, because network somehow it is disconnecting again and again. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
What can you
ma'am.
see? Okay, we missed a few of the characters, they didn't introduce yet. Arvind sir and Sheetal ma'am. So Sheetal ma'am, first you introduce yourself. Hello, Sheetal ma'am.
Yeah. Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm Sheetal Srikhande.
Hmm.
I'm 36-year old. Currently, I'm staying in the USA from few years, last 4 5 years. Mm, Here, I am non-dependent visa, so I am not working. And mm, that's it.
Now
I
I
am
will
also,
complete Sheetal's story
yeah.
because she didn't share everything, and you need to open up. Look, for the 5 days at least, because the quantity is so less, and no one is going to judge you over here. Only I am in there, and just consider all of them, all the participants who are there. Even two are there, three are there. Let it be, but just be yourself. Speak for yourself. So Sheetal, you need to communicate. You need to share your things. So she also has a lot of dreams. She is highly ambitious lady. At that time when only few ladies in her, like at her place, had learned, she had done B Pharma, and then somehow she was married to that US citizen. She moved there, and yes, of course, her ambitions got shattered over there. Now she couldn't do whatever she always wished, and there she feels like she is encased. So that's all about our life, everyone's life. We all are facing some sort of problem, we all are in some sort of pain, or you say that different aspects of life we are covering. But in that, it's all about how we are accepting it, how we are crossing it, and how we are just taking the thing and moving ahead. So let's play the game. Okay, Arvind sir.
Hello everyone.
Yes.
Hope you can hear me. So, hi, I am Arvind. I work as a software engineer and like for past 10 years. My goal for the life, right, is to do some research and to make our people's life very easy with the help of technologies. So basically, I'm working towards that. But yes, yet I'm yet to achieve my goals. Because I want to do a higher study in some colleges like MTech and PhD. So yet I mean that is not fulfilled yet. The other thing is that I basically little bit on shy nature. I mingle very less with unknowns. But yes, with my friends and the known, right? I mean my friends and my colleagues, I become. I mean sometimes I do not feel it. I mean what I can say. For others, I literally, I'm not a kind of person who will start the conversation, but yes, if I'm pulled into, I'll talk, I'll be involved. But yes, that is what I want to overcome. Thank you.
कहाँ से क्या है? Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Now we'll be doing just one small activity. Only few people are there, so it will be easy to wind up easily. Now, it's a kind of activity which is played along with the students in the classroom. I guess that I'm frozen again. Hello, am I audible? Just say yes or no in the chat box, please. Okay, Sher Singh ji, you have to just make one sentence from this word. Make any sentence.
Right?
Yeah.
Uh, I am fortunate to be guided by the spiritual powers.
Great. Okay, now we'll move to the next one. Anita ma'am, it is for you now. You have also been a teacher for a long time, so I would request you to share.
Yes, student. This is my favorite topic because when I was in school, I used to love my students. So you can say my student. I love my student. Student. Can I say it in plural? Like I love my students.
Okay, that's it. Thank you, thank you. Yes, of course, if you are a teacher and you have loved your teachers, that means you really have done your job very well.
Yeah, you can say like one of my student was a very good friend of mine, like that. Okay, thank you.
Arvind sir, it is for you now. Okay, teacher.
Yeah, so everyone in my family is a teacher. My father, my grandfather, very my father. So I've been in a like situation among I have been among teachers most of the time from my childhood. Like my father's, my uncles and my father's friends, all are teachers. So that is very important word for me.
So, being surrounded by teachers, you have always, I guess, that been fascinated by teachers, and you might have
No,
shown
that's
that sort of respect to your teachers as well.
yeah,
Ma'am,
that's one part, but not always good. Yeah, the other side of it, you have to be very disciplined among them. So you cannot go. I mean, you cannot live your other life, right? The way you want.
I want to add one statement to this.
Yes, sir. Yeah, please, sir, add it.
I want to say the parents gives birth to a child, but it is the teacher who makes that child a civilized person for a country.
Yeah, that's true. Now, next, Jayashri ma'am, it is for you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Visitor.
Visitor. um, Many visitors in my class on inquiry, inquiry the music class.
Yeah.
I don't know how to explain that.
No,
So
I also had the same thing in my mind. I was going to propelling you, and you said that. Very good, ma'am.
thank you.
Now, next, Sheetal, it is for you. Yeah. Sheetal? Hello? Sheetal, are you there? I guess that she has got busy somewhere, so let it be. And let's move to our next part. Okay, so when we are talking about our personality, we talk about a few aspects like how confident you are, or how conscientious you are, creative you are. So one row, because we have only few people, so one row you can read and tell that with any of the word that you don't know, any of the word that you are confused about. So Sher Singh ji, please you start with this confident.
What I have to do?
You just have to read and tell whether you know this word or not. If any word comes that you don't know, you can stop over there. I will tell about that. Even those who are there in this meeting, they can also just point out any of the word that you are not sure about, and don't hesitate to ask. The more you know that the barrier for our progress is this hesitation. We all need help, but you are not ready to take help from others. And yes, that's the kind of ego within us sometimes, that we don't want to take help. We think that if we ask, then maybe people will consider me inferior, maybe I will be considered that I don't know, and everyone else knows this thing. And this is the seed which is shown in the child only. So I have seen many children in the classroom, they are not answering just because what others will think, what if I make mistakes. So the first thing I say, it's okay, you make mistakes, but just make it. That is the first step. So yes sir, please read it.
Confident. I do not know the meaning of conscious.
Conscientious is that word, like right now you are attending this meeting, there are people, 4 of the people who have not joined now, they have already paid and still not joined. So what does that mean? That conscientious, that conscience says that it's okay if you miss this, maybe you will get the recording, maybe I will be able to do it later, maybe it is in 200 what I am going to get it, so let's miss. So that is being conscientious. You are like, your mind says that what I have chosen to do, what I have thought of doing it, I will do it. So that is being conscientious.
Awareness.
Yeah.
Conscience.
Conscience. Science you say, no? Conscience. Conscientious.
Conscientious. Okay. Creative, devoted, energetic, experienced, flexible, hardworking, honest, attentive, confident.
Yeah, that's it. Now Jayashri ma'am, will you please read from here?
Yeah, ma'am, first
No, from where he has read, you continue from there.
continue. Okay. I think it's flexible, no? Flexible, hardworking, honest.
Honest.
I check. I can't read this because okay. मैंने font बड़ा कर लिया, sorry.
अच्छा.
Honest, attentive, confident, powerful, practical, proactive, productive.
Okay.
Productive.
Yes, thank you
okay.
ma'am. So here
Okay.
this word honest, this is honest. H is silent,
Honest.
like in should. H is silent. So we will be talking about these words where which letter is silent, and there is no rule behind that. Yes, of course English is exceptional knowledge, exceptional language in which if you have heard a few sort of funny dialogues, I will be sharing that as well. One funny meme on this, that how one word is pronounced in some manner, and the same word with the same letters can be pronounced in different manner. So that's there. So that here honest it is, and then powerful, productive. Next, Andita ma'am, will you please read from here?
Okay. Meticulous, quick, balanced, achiever, friendly, passionate, trustworthy, innovative, motivated. Shall I read all
No,
of
now thank you so much ma'am. Sheetal ma'am, will you please read from here? Hello Sheetal.
Organized, patient, persistent, thoughtful, unique, emotional, empathetic, compassionate, cheerful.
Okay, so you all know all these words, so I can take a test out of it.
What is the meaning of meticulous?
Second last.
Compassionate. Okay,
Proactive.
I will talk about that later on. But apart from that, all the other words you are aware of. What is meticulous?
Proactive.
Proactive means those people who take the responsibility all the time. They will come in front and they will take the responsibilities. So they are very proactive. Proactive person will be very energetic.
Like you.
Thank you, thank you. Then meticulous. What is meticulous?
Hardworking.
Yes, those people who are really very laborious, hardworking. Yes, of course. Then yes, you asked about this word compassionate, but before going to compassionate, again there is one word, empathic. What is that?
Uh,
Being a teacher, if you are related to the teachers, though it is required for each and every profession, and if you are a human, you need to have empathy. So there is a slight difference, or you can say major difference in between sympathy and empathy. Everyone can get sympathy for those poor people who are begging on the road. You can get sympathy for those people who are not able to get homes. You can get sympathy. Sympathy means feeling pity for someone. That's natural. We get pity for someone. That is sympathy. But what is empathy? Yes, any one of you who can tell me what is empathy? Putting your legs in the shoes of others. That means right now I can understand the situation of Jayashri. I can understand the situation of Sheetal. I can understand the situation of anyone over here. Why? Because I can put myself in your shoes. I can see myself as you, that what kind of problems you are facing. So when you are speaking, when you are writing, when you are interacting with the people, what kind of problems are there? What kind of issues you are facing? So that if you are able to understand, that means you are empathetic towards that person. Then compassionate. Compassionate is what? Look at the word. What is it made up of? Compassionate. So passionate, you all know. Passionate, being passionate about something. So when you are showing some sort of passion for a particular thing, that is being compassionate. So showing extreme love for something, extreme affection for something. So compassionate about any job that you have got, compassionate about your vision, compassionate about your dream. So that is compassion. Love and compassion goes together. Then yes, of course, all the other words you can go. Now flexible. If we talk about flexibility, what it is?
Flexibility means
easy मैम, easy होता है जैसे
Yes, if
flexible,
you
easy.
are able to change your mindset whenever it is required, that is flexibility. Right now you are sitting over here along with me. You think that I already know everything. Whatever she is telling, I already know. Why should I attend it? So there your mind is already filled. Okay, and you are not ready to take anything from someone else. And at that time, what it will be? That clash will be there. After some time only, you will get fed up and you will say, leave it. I already know. Why should I waste time over here? So that flexibility is not there. Whenever we are being a student, we are a learner. At that time, we should leave some scope for learning. Right now, if I am here along with you, it's not only you are going to gain, you are going to get. I'm not asking about monetary terms. Of course, 200 rupees is nothing. That was a token amount to make you come to this meeting. At least for 200, you will feel that I have paid something, I will attend it, I will find it out what it is. But yes, of course, 200 for few people it was nothing, and that's why they paid and they didn't come. So here when we talk about this, you are showing your devotion, your motive for it, and then you attend it. Now next is innovative. What is innovative?
Putting new ideas.
Yeah. So again, I will
Yes,
quote something what doctor whose interview I was taking today, and on Women's Day, I'm coming up with 9 interviews of 9 successful women. So I'm giving them women of India, and they all are really successful. Someone, and how not successful because they have got some sort of help from either parents or their environment. It is just the opposite. They had struggled a lot. There was no one to support them. If I'm talking about this HOD in anatomy department, she got 36 rank in All India PMT. You know that people, even when they get 1000 rank, they celebrate, they have all the kind of things. But she got 36 rank in All India PMT, but her mother didn't allow her to get into the medical college just because she wanted her to get married and settle down, because in medical it will take a lot of time to go for the studies and the other things, and she was not allowed. Then later on she did her graduation, and then MSc. There again in MSc She was the 7th rank holder in MBBS. Sorry, the second level, MD you say. So she has done PhD from Kasturba Medical College, and right now she is anatomy department's head in a medical college, competing with all the doctors over there. So that's look how much she has struggled, and then she has come to this point. And when she was interacting with me, she also said me this, look, this idea of yours is a new idea, that is an innovation. Podcasting and all, people right now here they don't know. Yes, of course in the other countries this is well known, even you listen to the songs and all, they know it very well. But when we talk about podcasting for some this sort of motive, where we are bringing people of these normal, like common people like us, and they are brought up over there, like how they have struggled, and then they come to that part, then you are able to correlate yourself with them. Okay, which of the color do you like the most? Yes, of course I will be taking more time, so I will rush right now because I have to finish it on time. So just tell about your favorite color. You can write it in the chat box, whichever color you like. We won't be doing anything, I will just tell about your character based on that. It's simple personality test. Yes, just choose one color. Please write it in the chat box. You are just 5 of you. Please write that in the chat box. Choose any 5 color. Like right now,
There is
what
no-
color I have chosen, it is not there. So if you two think any color which
My-
is not, yeah,
Also, my favorite color is not that blue.
yeah, okay, mine is also there, blue only, that's why it is not here. I have omitted it. I will be adding it at the end. So anyone else?
a violet.
Okay, violet color, okay.
My
Arvind,
color.
Black.
Okay.
Sorry, black.
black, okay. Jayashri ma'am, what you say?
White. White.
White, okay. And Sheetal ma'am?
लिखने का था।
Red, red.
Red, okay. Look, again there was one student and she loved black, and her father tagged her that she is a kind of negative personality because she loves black, for everything she wants black. But please remember, there is nothing called good or bad just related to the colors. Whether you write white color, like right color, or dark color, that doesn't define whether you are right or wrong. But yes, of course it shows some aspect of your personality. So a little bit, it's quite long, we won't be reading it right now. I'll be sharing the video in which you can find it later on. So it's just a kind of a simple activity what I have taken. It's to make you read, but as time is not there, we won't read it, we'll move ahead. Yes, these are all the colors, and this shows your personality in this way. Yes, blue color I have taken at the end. And then yes, this is another activity, and this is an exercise for you, a homework for you. Yes, of course you will have to do a homework every day for these 4 days. 5th day you can relax and do whatever you wish to. So you have to write about an awful experience. Awful means like something where you messed up, you thought that that's the end, you cannot do anything, and somehow you were agitated, disturbed, perturbed, and you couldn't move ahead. And what went wrong, why it went wrong, what you could have done to prevent it, any regrets you have. So you have to write about this experience, and we will be sharing it in our next class, that is tomorrow. So we'll be starting our next class with this experience.
This experience is with respect to today's class, or it is with respect to our life experience?
No, it is the homework of today's class, so related to today only. As today we are talking about personality, or like different aspects of personality, introductory session. So it is just a kind of icebreaker only, where you will be sharing about your experience, awful experience in the next class. So look at the stress, look at the theme of this thing. Here you need to mention how could you have prevented it. And yes, of course you have prevented it, or you crossed that thing, and right now you are not in that situation. So any regret you have for that situation, and all these things which you will be sharing will be telling about your personality as well. Okay, so with that we will be starting tomorrow's class, and this is again an experience which is shared over here. I will share this thing, you can read it later on, it's quite long here, or after we have finished, if someone who has a job or some other thing, they can leave, I will read it at the end. Yes, talking about the future. You all have some sort of dreams in your life. Like I said, that I really want to change the perspective of people on these things based on language, these things based on your confidence. So all the kind of fads, superstitions, or the kind of dogmas which has been built in the society, I really wish to change it. I really wish to work for that. And that is the reason I have come up with this platform, Comspire, Communicate to Inspire. So if I ask you, what are you going to do? What will you do? I thought that at least 20 people will be there in the group. So I thought of dividing it into five participants. But right now, yes, of course, it will be an individual only. So one by one, you can just tell me about your vision, what you want to do in your life. Yes, Sher Singh Sirji?
Uh, my vision is to be an industrialist, providing world-class facilities to my employees professionally and personally. This is my life vision. And what will you have? I shall be having uh, a great wealth, and along with my relations, because I consider the wealth and relationships are both uh, ways equivalent. Uh, both are required equally for a successful life. Uh, so I will be having relations and wealth, and that is again a question. What do you want? The same thing. That's all from my side.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Whenever we talk about the vision, we need to be sure about what we really want. So, most of the time we stammer, we are not able to be fluent, is the reason because we are not sure about what we really want to say. So, if we know that what we have to say, if we are sure about whatever I have to convey, in that case, of course, the fluency will be there. Of course, we'll be more confident. So, Jayashri ma'am, when will you please share what you really want to do, or you want to have, or you want to be?
Um, Actually, I have a very successful singer and very successful teacher. Um, it's my dream. Very successful teacher and very successful singers, and very important. I talking very well.
Yes.
It's very important in my life because many things I have. I don't know. I can't as a word. मतलब सहा है. Sorry, I speak to Hindi. Um, so मतलब many time I uh, confused. Many time मतलब insulate.
Insecure, you
But
feel insecure,
हाँ,
you feel, yes.
yeah, insecure, and many times my family, my brothers and my sisters, um, we have talking English, and that time I can't speak to or join with both of you both. So I very upset. I can't talk properly and can't join with both. So I can't, and I leave the room, and I go to my bedroom and um, very upset. Why I can't speak to English?
Who do you
Why?
love the
Because
most, ma'am? Jayashri ma'am, can you please tell who do you love the most?
uh,
Yeah? Hello?
हाँ मैम.
Who do you love the most?
I can't understand, ma'am.
आप किसको सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार करते हो, मैम?
Okay, my mom.
Your mom. No, okay.
Yeah.
You said about your brothers, the people around you who can communicate in English, but when you are not able to do that, you feel upset, you feel insecure. So,
Yeah.
is there anyone with whom you can communicate in English? I'm asking those people who you really love, those who are not there to criticize you, those who are not there to tell that you are speaking in a very
Yeah. How speak? How speak? Uh, Actually, I'm very excited that my brother teach me how speak to how speak English.
मैम कुछ भी
But
सीखने के लिए ना आपको सबसे पहले उस लैंग्वेज में बात करनी होती है, ठीक है? तो
oh,
अगर आपके
okay.
आसपास कोई ऐसे हैं जिनको आप प्यार करते हो और जो आपको नहीं बोलेंगे बार बार कि आप गलत बोल रहे हो, आप ऐसे गंदा से बोल रहे हो, आपके पास अगर कोई ऐसे हैं बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड या क्लोज रिलेटिव जो आपको क्रिटिसाइज करने के लिए आपसे बात नहीं करेंगे बट जस्ट आपसे बात करेंगे, इट इज रिक्वायर्ड जस्ट टू स्टार्ट कम्युनिकेशन. आप जो भी गलत सही बोल रहे हो ना, आप बोलना शुरू करो. जस्ट स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. ये मत सोचो कि सामने वाला क्या सोच रहा है, क्या बोलेगा, मैंने कितनी गलती की. इट्स ओके, मेक मिस्टेक्स लाइक अ चाइल्ड, स्मॉल चाइल्ड. आप छोटे बच्चे को देखते हो ना, टूटा फूटा लैंग्वेज में बोलता है, कंसिडर ठीक है मैं बच्चा ही हूँ, बच्चे की तरह मैं सीख रहा हूँ.
कभी मैम ऐसा होता है कि मतलब वो बहुत क्यूट बोलते हैं और मैं नहीं बोल पाती हूँ, तो इज माई कजिन ब्रदर एंड मेरा जो मेरी सिस्टर है, एक कजिन है और मेरा भाई, तो वो बहुत अच्छे से बात करते हैं. मतलब पता नहीं मतलब उनका जो सर्कल है, फ्रेंड सर्कल है, वो बहुत अच्छा है. और मेरा जो फ्रेंड सर्कल था जो कॉलेज और स्कूल में, तो अभी वो नहीं है. और तब से मतलब आई थिंक 11-12 साल हुए हैं मैंने बोला ही नहीं है. और ये लोग जब बात करते तो इनका इनका ही चलता है, और कभी मैं बोलती हूँ बीच में तो एक्चुअली कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं रहता. तो शी इज लाफिंग, सो आई एम वेरी अपसेट कि भाई तो फिर मैं नहीं बोलती हूँ ऐसे. तो
कोई नहीं मैम, बस आपको एक यही चाहिए कि आप जब भी कोई आपको ऐसा मिलता है, कोई ऐसा, आपने बताया ना कि फ्रेंड सर्कल नहीं है आपको, कोई नहीं तो एक और काम आप कर सकते हो. अभी पॉडकास्ट मैं आप लोगों को ग्रुप में ही शेयर करती हूँ. मैं अभी से हर रोज़ एक पॉडकास्ट या फिर एक कोई यूट्यूब का लिंक स्पीचेस का, मतलब जो वर्ल्ड फेमस स्पीचेस हैं उसमें से कोई लिंक मैं आप लोगों को एक एक शेयर करते जाती हूँ. आप एक हैबिट बना लो कि यू हैव टू लिसन टू दैट, ओके? और उसके बाद यू विल रियली फील अ डिफरेंस. पहले आप सुनना शुरू करो, ठीक है? जितना सुन सकते हो सुनते जाओ, क्योंकि सुनना बहुत जरूरी है. हम खासकर हमारे टीचर्स के लाइफ में क्या होता है ना कि वी आर देयर टू टेल, हम सिर्फ बोलते हैं पर सुनने का पेशेंस नहीं होता है हमारे पास. तो पहले आपको सुनने का वो हैबिट डेवलप करना है. तो उसके लिए आप यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस हैं, मैं आपको शेयर करूंगी, लिंक ग्रुप में मैं शेयर करती हूँ, अभी शेयर कर देती हूँ एक लिंक. तो वो आप सुनना शुरू करिए. इंग्लिश स्पीचेस करके एक है, तो आज मैं उसको शेयर कर देती हूँ. उसके बाद पॉडकास्ट हैं डिफरेंट. तो पॉडकास्ट जैसे आप खाना भी बना रहे हो, खाना गाते वक्त या सिखाते वक्त तो आप नहीं कर पाओगे, पर जैसे खाना बना रहे हो, घर का कोई और काम कर रहे हो, सो उस ऑडियो को प्ले कर दो और सुनते सुनते काम करो. धीरे धीरे जब आपको लगे कि कॉन्फिडेंस बन गया, एक वीक तक ना आप बोलो मत, बिल्कुल मत बोलो. आपको कोई मिल रहा है ठीक है बात करो, मत अलग से ऐसे मत बोलो कि मुझे सीखना है करना है. यू जस्ट लिसन. और एक वीक होने के बाद यू जस्ट सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, और मिरर के सामने आप उस दिन से बात करना शुरू करो कि मैंने आज क्या किया, उस जो पॉडकास्ट सुना या उस वीडियो में जो देखा मैंने क्या देखा. तो वो आप एसेस करते जाओ मिरर के पास, क्योंकि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हम जितना खुद से प्यार करते हैं ना, जो सेल्फिश मोटिव बोलते हैं, वी ऑल आर इंडीड वेरी वेरी सेल्फिश पीपल. चाहे आप जो भी हो, जिस भी जगह पे हो, सबसे पहले हम अपने बारे में सोचते हैं. चाहे हम बच्चों को देख रहे हो या माता पिता को देख रहे हो, जब तक हमारा अपना फायदा नहीं होता है ना, हम कोई काम नहीं करते हैं. एंड दैट्स द रियलिटी. कोई कुछ भी बोल दे कि मैं नहीं करता, मैं तो पहले बच्चों के बारे में सोचता हूँ, मैं तो हो ही नहीं सकता. आप बच्चों के बारे में भी क्यों सोच रहे हैं? बिकॉज यू नो वेरी वेल दैट दे आर योर्स. यू नो वेरी वेल कि आप अगर आज उनको देख रहे हो तो आगे वो अच्छे बनेंगे. सो यू हैव सम मोटिव बिहाइंड दैट. हर चीज के पीछे एक रीजन होता है. सो जस्ट लिसन फॉर फ्यू डेज. And yes, it's for everyone. If you really want to get your fluency, that's the only way, and I'm telling you, आपको क्या लगता है मैं कैसी इंग्लिश बोल रही हूँ?
मेरे हिसाब से तो बहुत अच्छे बोल रहे हो।
ठीक बोल रही हूँ ना, मतलब सुनने में अच्छा
नहीं
लग रहा है,
बहुत
मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ
अच्छा
इतने
लगा।
टाइम से।
नहीं
तो
नहीं अच्छा लगा बहुत।
और मैंने कैसे शुरुआत की है मैम पता है? मेरे भी घर में अभी जैसे जब मैंने शुरुआत किया था उस टाइम हमारे भी घर में हमारी मातृभाषा मैथिली है, माय मदर टंग इज मैथिली, ओके, एंड इवन आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू हिंदी, आई यूज टू स्पीक इन हिंदी, बट जब वो एपिसोड हुआ व्हेन पीपल यूज टू कंसिडर कि शी कैन नॉट स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, तो मुझे लगा क्यों नहीं, वाई कांट आई स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, वाई कांट आई बी फ्लुएंट। उस समय मैंने स्टार्ट किया, आई एम फ्रॉम बिहार, यू नो, हमारा बिहार का जो एक्सेंट होता है ना, दैट गेट्स इन आर इंग्लिश एक्सेंट एज वेल। तो जैसे अगर हम कुछ लेटर्स की बात करें जो हिंदी में होता है, स, श और श, जो तीन हैं, दंत स, तालाब्य श और मूर्धन्य श, मूर्धा, तो ये तीन श हुए, या फिर र और अर, उसमें मैं अभी भी गलती करती हूँ। जब मैं हिंदी में आती हूँ तो मेरे दोस्त आज भी मुझे टोकते हैं कि तुमने र नहीं बोला, र नहीं बोला, जो भी, तो वो है। लेकिन मैंने कैसे किया, मैं कैम्ब्रिज का प्रोनाउंसिएशन का पूरा, जब मैं ग्रेजुएशन कर रही थी मेरे सेकेंड ईयर में प्रोनाउंसिएशन फोनेटिक्स था, तो उस टाइम मैंने पहली बार फोनेटिक्स पढ़ा, एंड आई रियली रिसर्च्ड अ लॉट ऑन फोनेटिक्स, कि जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो कैसे, अभी जैसे आप संगीत पढ़ाते हो तो हर एक शब्द का उच्चारण अलग अलग जगह से होता है। हम लोगों ने माहेश्वर सूत्र पढ़ा था जब हम 10th स्टैंडर्ड में थे, अकुह विसर्जनिया नाम कंठ, अ, क, ठीक है, ह, तो ये सब जो वर्ण है ना, ये कंठ से बोले जाते हैं। तो हिंदी में ना, जैसे हम लोगों ने जो बचपन में पढ़ा था उसे याद करना आसान हो जाता है, तो इन सब को लिए हमें सिर्फ कंठ से बोलना, बाकी कुछ नहीं करना है। जैसे हम दंत स की बात करें, दांत पे आके कट रहा है, दंत स, तालाब्य श, तालाब्य श बोल रहे हैं तो तालू पे लग रहा है, ऊपर तालू पे जा रहा है, दांत पे नहीं, ऊपर तालू पे जा रहा है। मूर्धन्य श, तो जैसे मूर्धन्य श बोल रहे हैं, पूरा मूर्धा गोल हो जा रहा है और सीटी निकलती है उस समय में। तो वो अगर हम बारीकी को उस तरीके से देखें, जब मैंने फोनेटिक्स देखा तो मैंने बोला ये तो मैंने संस्कृत में पढ़ा ही था ऐसे ही, तो उसी को, और क्योंकि जो आप बचपन में पढ़े होते हो उस टाइम का मेमोरी आपका ज़्यादा रिटेन रहता है, और वो आप आसानी से फिर से रिवाइव कर सकते हो। तो उसके थ्रू मैंने पूरे फोनेटिक्स को फिर से पढ़ा, एक एक वर्ड का प्रोनाउंसिएशन देखा, कि जैसे अब हम वर्ड की बात करते हैं, कल पूरा हमारा प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे ही होगा, तो हम स्टार्टिंग से इसको करेंगे, भी मैं प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे जाऊंगी नहीं, तो वहाँ करके एक एक वर्ड को जब किया, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स ऐसे ही सुनते सुनते आई लिसन टू सो मेनी स्पीचेस ऑन यूट्यूब, और जब मैं बच्चों को भी सबसे पहले यूट्यूब का या जो अच्छे चैनल्स हैं इंग्लिश स्पीचेस और ये सब वाले चैनल, उनको मैं बताती हूँ, एंड दे लिसन टू देम। तो अभी तो हमारे पास उतना टाइम नहीं होगा 1 आवर में कि मैं आपको स्पीच सुनाऊँ, बट आई विल शेयर द लिंक्स विथ यू, यू कैन एटलीस्ट गो थ्रू दोज वीडियोज, वॉच द होल वीडियोज, ओके, और फिर यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस।
Okay, ma'am.
Then yes, this is another task. We won't be able to assess on this thing, but you can do it on your own. Whatever your dream is there, whatever your vision is there, सबसे पहले तो आप फाइनलाइज कर लीजिए। जैसे शेर सिंह जी, अभी आपने बताया कि आप पैसा बनाना चाहते हैं, बंगला बनाना चाहते हैं, सो जस्ट फ्रेम इट, उसको अभी से देखना शुरू कर दीजिए। अगर आप लोग इंटरेस्टेड हो तो कभी 5 दिन के बाद भी आई विल बी टेकिंग वन सेशन वेयर आई विल बी training you, I guess that shares no, so I will be training you to visualize your dream and believe that you have already got it, you have already achieved it. तो मैंने ये, क्योंकि मैं साइकोलॉजी में मास्टर्स कर रही थी, तो देयर आई went like entered into NLP as well, न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग। तो उसके थ्रू क्या होता है कि आपको किसी भी तरह का पेन है, कोई भी तरह का फियर है, तो उसको पूरी तरह से आप आज़ाद हो सकते हो। और दूसरा, अगर आपके पास कोई ड्रीम है, बिलीफ सिस्टम को NLP के थ्रू आज के डेट में बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग किया जाता है, और यही एक वजह है कि कोचिंग इंडस्ट्री आज के टाइम में सबसे ज़्यादा फ्लरिशिंग इंडस्ट्री, और अभी इस कोरोना टाइम में अगर किसी ने सबसे ज़्यादा कमाया है, दैट इज़ कोचिंग इंडस्ट्री। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस कोचिंग क्लासेस ऑफ स्कूल्स, मेडिकल और इंजीनियरिंग कोचिंग क्लासेस। कोचिंग क्लासेस मीन्स पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट की जो क्लासेस हैं, जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट की जो क्लासेस हैं, इस कोरोना टाइम में सबसे ज़्यादा फ्लरिश उसी ने किया है। कहते हैं ना, मिलियंस में कमाया है उन लोगों ने। सो आपका क्या है, व्हाट डू यू रियली वांट? जैसे जयश्री मैम ने भी बताया कि आई वांट टू स्पीक फ्लुएंटली, आई वांट टू हैव अ गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, आई वांट टू stand on the stage, speak in English, and then show that I can also speak. So that should be your dream. एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट विजुअलाइजिंग, जस्ट फील. आप ड्रीम में भी देखो कि मैं खुद को देख रही हूँ कि मैं इंग्लिश में बहुत अच्छे से फ्लुएंटली बोल रही हूँ, सब लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं. जस्ट स्टार्ट विजुअलाइजिंग इट. आपको पैसे चाहिए ना,
ma'am.
कहते हैं ना कि आपको जो चाहिए बस उसके बारे में आज से आप सोचना शुरू कर दीजिए. एंड वंस यू हैव स्टार्टेड टू थिंक, व्हेन यू हैव विज्ड, यस ऑफ कोर्स यू विल गेट द वे टू वॉक टुवर्ड्स इट. ओके, तो आपको डिग्री चाहिए, पीस चाहिए, फेम चाहिए, कहीं घूमना है, कार चाहिए, सोचना शुरू करिए. आपको BMW चाहिए, आप सोचिए ना आज से.
Okay.
और बहुत आसान
Yes,
है,
ma'am.
जैसा जितना कहने में आपको लग रहा है, कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि कहना बड़ा आसान है, लेकिन जितना कहना आसान है ना उतना ही आसान पाना भी है. यू जस्ट नीड दैट बिलीफ सिस्टम. कहते हैं ना कि अगर कोई आदमी, मूवीज में ज्यादातर दिखाते हैं, कोई मर रहा हो और अगर प्यार से लोग बोलते ना एकदम नहीं मरा है, जिंदा है, इसको कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, और वो जिंदा हो जाता है. एंड दैट्स रियली, मूवी में लगता है कि तो मूवी में हो गया, बट इट हैज रियली हैपेंड विथ मेनी पीपल. डॉक्टर्स ने जवाब दे दिया कि ये बच नहीं सकता, एंड स्टिल वी हैव गॉट हिम. इवन इफ यू नो अबाउट द स्टोरी ऑफ स्टीफन हॉकिंस, लोगों ने बोल दिया कि अब ये 2 साल तक जिएगा, उसके बाद इसकी लाइफ ही नहीं है. लुक हाउ मच ही लिव्ड एंड इन व्हाट कंडीशन ही हैज सर्वाइव्ड. उसके बाद भी उसने अपना नाम बना लिया. हाउ वाज ही एबल टू डू दैट? थॉमस एडिसन, प्रिंसिपल ने निकाल दिया कि कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, बट हाउ डिड ही डू? द बिलीफ सिस्टम ऑफ हिज मदर, मेरा बेटा है एंड आई विल मेक हिम. स्कूल ने निकाल दिया, मैं पढ़ाऊंगी. So that is the belief system. You have to make your belief that yes, of course, I will get it and I am working on it. ये कुछ words of the day हैं, ये भी मैं आपको share कर देती हूँ ग्रुप में क्योंकि it's really too late. तो ये सारे words मैं आपको share कर देती हूँ. Start using these words in everyday life. हाँ, इसके लिए एक और टिप है कि आप अगर बोलोगे कि एक साथ इतने words दे दिए, हम कैसे यूज़ करें. किसी भी वर्ड्स को हम इसी तरह से लर्न करने का ये जो टेक्निक है हमारा, ये बहुत ही क्लासिकल है और अभी उसका कोई यूज़ नहीं है. आप सीधा अगर चाहो कि मैं ये सारे वर्ड्स लर्न कर लूँ एंड देन आई विल बी एबल टू यूज़ इट, दैट्स फुलिश. आप वैसे कभी कोई वर्ड लर्न नहीं कर सकते हो. तो आपको क्या करना है, जैसे मैं अगर आपके साथ ये वर्ड शेयर करती हूँ, यू हैव टू टेक वन वर्ड, क्योंकि जैसे हो सकता है अम्यूजिंग वर्ड आपको ऑलरेडी पता है, सो लीव इट. आप अम्यूजिंग यूज ही कर लोगे. आप मर्थफुल यूज नहीं करते हो. दीज ऑल आर वर्ड्स विच मीन हैप्पी. तो मर्थफुल वर्ड अगर आप यूज नहीं करते हो जनरली, सो यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग दैट वर्ड. यू नो दैट पर्सन आई मेट, ही वाज सो मर्थफुल. सो यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट टाइम टू टाइम. आप एकदम वो वर्ड को लिख लो और पूरे दिन में आप जितने बार उसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो, जहाँ भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो, जस्ट यूज इट एंड देन यू विल फाइंड आउट दैट यू हैव रियली लर्न दैट. सो एटलीस्ट 2 words यू टेक इन अ डे. मेक इट अ हैबिट, 2 words अ डे. और उन 2 वर्ड को आपको जहाँ भी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में यूज़ कर सकते हो, जस्ट कीप ऑन यूजिंग इट. कि जैसे आप अपने इसके संगीत के क्लास लेते हो, वहाँ पे आपको लग रहा है कि किसी बच्चे ने बहुत खुशी से गाना गाया, अरे यू लुक जुबिलेंट टुडे, तो यू आर यूजिंग दैट वर्ड ओवर देयर. यू नो थ्रू आउट द डे आई वाज जुबिलेंट. सो आपको पता है, इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग दैट वर्ड हैप्पी, you just use this word and within the end of the day you will find that you have learned that word. तो और कोई तरीका नहीं है जैसे रट के कि मैंने आज ये जुबिलेंट 5 बजे, जैसे पहले वाला क्लासिकल मेथड था ये कि इस तरह से लर्न करना है. So that way you are not going to learn. You have to use it in some sort of context, practical context. अगर आप और भी अच्छे से याद करना चाहते हो, अगर आप फनी हो और किसी चीज़ को बहुत फनी बना सकते हो, तो उस तरह से, जैसे एक स्टैटिक वर्ड है, ठीक है, तो कोई फनी इंसिडेंट से जोड़ सकते हो. जैसे मुन्ना भाई का कोई स्टोरी है, मुन्ना भाई MBBS सबके लिए सबसे फनी और बहुत ही प्यारी है. तो यू कैन से कि जब मुन्ना भाई को ना ज़बरदस्ती उसमें मिल गया और वो मेडिकल कॉलेज में आ गया, तो ही वॉज रियली एक्सटैटिक. सो एक्सटैटिक उस समय पे था जब उसको मिल गया. तो उसको किसी ऐसे चीज़ से रिलेट करिए जिसको आप याद रख सकते हो, कोई स्टोरी के रूप में बना लो. तो ये चीज़ हम बच्चों को भी, जैसे हम बच्चों के कॉम्पिटिशन्स के लिए तैयारी करवाते हैं, ओलंपियाड के लिए तैयारी करवाते हैं, तो ये मेथड्स बताते हैं. तो आपको भी अगर कुछ नए वर्ड्स याद करने हैं, वोकेबुलरी स्ट्रॉन्ग करनी है, सो यूज़ दिस मेथड एंड विद इन 1 week यू विल फाइंड दैट यू हैव लर्नड एटलीस्ट 14 to 20 वर्ड्स. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा लास्ट है वर्ड्स का. इसमें से आप कोई भी 4 वर्ड्स चाहिए तो ले लीजिए जो आपको लगता है कि आपके लिए नए वर्ड्स हैं. सारे जैसे लेफ्ट साइड में जो ब्लू में हमारे पास हैं, दे ऑल मीन हैप्पी. एंड राइट साइड में जो हमारे पास हैं, पेंसिव या बिटर या डिसमल, हार्ट ब्रोकन, मेलनकॉली, मॉर्नफुल, पेसिमिस्टिक, सॉरी, बिरीव्ड, ग्लूमी, इन सब का मतलब है सॉरो या सैड. ओके तो आपको जो भी वर्ड है आप ले लीजिए. स्टिल आई विल बी शेयरिंग इट. ओके
Okay.
now Q&A session. If you have any question, anything that you would like to raise today after the today's session, you can let me know. And please don't leave it unless I ask you. Just few more minutes and then you can leave.
I'm very happy today, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I would
And
request you.
I'm very like today's session.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I would request you to put it in written work. So if anything that is in written, that is retained for longer time, because what you stated will just vanish after some time. But what you have written will be preserved for longer time. So yes, of course, I will be really grateful to you people. If you have liked this session, please mention it in the chat box. And yes, of course, it will be used for as a feedback of mine, that how my session was, whether you got something or not. But this is the next part. First you tell me that if you have any question based on today's session. Any question related to today's session? Okay, if you don't have any
No,
question,
ma'am.
then at the end again I will ask you the question. What are the 3 main things that you have learned today, that you are going to
Confident,
take
Con-
away? Yes, ma'am.
confident,
Yes.
self-confidence,
Hmm.
and सीखने की इच्छा. I don't know the word English. सीखने की इच्छा
Interest to
रखो.
learn.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. And Sher Singh ji, आप अगर आज आ रहे हैं, what things you are going to take away along with you today?
I think the perception that the English is international language, this perception has been removed. This is the biggest takeaway, and the most important takeaway for me is that I am connected to with a very good guru like you. So this is the most. It is the biggest takeaway for me, that I am connected with you. And apart from that, you have a very good knowledge of NLP, and I am really very much interested in learning the NLP things, because when you have to grow at a certain level, this is the right module
Yeah,
to be learned by
need of the
everyone.
hour.
So NLP is a very good technique, and I have attended many free classes of Ram Verma ji. So uh, I'm very much keen to learn something about NLP, and I have read the book of Rhonda Byrne, The Secret. I have learned a lot, and I learned gratitude in my daily life as a daily practice. So uh, the biggest takeaway is that I am connected to you for my uh, growth in my rest of the life. So this
Thank
is
you. Thank
my
you so much,
biggest
ma'am.
takeaway.
Thank you, sir. Andita ji, will you please share your feedback today? How did you like this?
Yeah, I was just writing down my ideas just now. Yeah, it was very nice talking to you and listening to everyone, and I think it was great fun. And
Thank you so much. Thank you so
so
much.
it's like if you talk like this with everyone, and then it's better other than like but talking with everyone. I think it improves your language. This is what I wanted to say.
Yeah, interaction is really important. How much you
Yeah.
interact, that much better you do. And interaction with the positive influences. Interacting with anyone is not going to help you. Like people right now, you know that, especially yes, ladies, when they are free, they think that they can communicate about anything that they wish to. They will talk about their in-laws. They will talk about also sort of nonsense thing that is not adding any values in their life. So there are many things which you can talk about, numerous. Look at the world, look at the things, like look at the people, how they are able to manage. Like I should be honestly and with pride I should be telling you, because for that I had got immense love from whoever I am connected with. I have taken 9 interviews in just 2 days. 9 interviews, every interview has taken at least an hour, and that doesn't mean that it is just for an hour. We have to make a rapport with the people, because they all are from some such sort of background where they are really very busy in their lives, and still they were able to give time to me. So I had to utilize that time appropriately in a kind of manner, and then they all were surprised, oh my god, how you have done in this, how you have done that much. And that is not just the first step. The next part is editing. I'm doing editing on my own again. So this, oh my god, you have taken the interview and you will be editing on your own. So I said, yes, I have learned it, and I have to do everything on my own, and my deadline is 8th of March. So I'll be publishing that day. So that's a kind of achievement. You have to have a vision and start working on that. That's the first step. Then thank you so much, ma'am. Then Jayashree ma'am, will you please share your feedback? Okay, Sheetal ma'am, are you there? Sheetal?
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Today I am so happy. I got one nice group communication. I got one group to communicate. That is main thing. That, and one more thing is I got a vocabulary, World Bank, like that, so I can improve myself using that word. It's like a small, but it's task for me, and I am accepting that task, something to do like this. And main thing is main group. I got one group, nice group to communicate
So
with
today
that.
you have not
Yeah.
learned anything. Actually, today's session was just a kind of introductory session. Tomorrow we will have a lot many things, and yes, of course, I believe that tomorrow you are going to really learn something. Today you just shared. Today we just shared what you have,
Yeah.
what I have to offer, and from tomorrow onwards we will really have to work a lot. You all also have to work a lot. So I have so many things. You have to be prepared. You will be assessed. You will be marked, and yes, that will be one thing that I won't be doing. You won't be judged. So don't worry, we are not going to judge anyone, but yes, assessment will be there. How much you already know and how much you have to work. Unless and until you don't know that in what level of water you are standing, you won't be able to know how much you have to swim and what effort you have to put to swim and cross that river or wherever you are. So just analyze yourself, assess yourself, and then of course you will be able to move ahead. But before analyzing and assessing, the most important thing, whatever we did today, that is really the basic and most important thing, vision. You need to first decide what you really want. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Even I loved a lot this session, and you all are incredible, very good people, good at heart, and I know personally everyone over here. So thank you so much. Have a great time. Good night. We'll
Thank
Good night, ma'am.
Well,
Bye bye. Good night. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye, everyone.